Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. We're playing Hybrid Animals Spin. Thank you. Okay, don't laugh at this. Don't laugh at this, but I think it's gonna be funny. Don't laugh at this. Don't laugh at this. Bogman. What? Why does it look like that? Bogman? Instead of a frog, what do? A scorpion and a T-Rex. Here. Is it gonna be a giant scorpion or something else? The pinching raptor. It can ram like a ram. Get it? Sorry of an advertisement. Let's pick a scorpion. This one. And let's make a hybrid between a scorpion and a snake king cobra. They're both venomous. So could scorpions and snakes be brothers? Pinching cobra. It can heal itself. Great. Oh, what do we have here? Ant bat. Get back here. I need a wood pick to get that. The crow hummingbird. I'm a level 4. She is a level 2. No. Okay. I want a new power. Weaken. Oh, crow hummingbird. Okay, let's get these real quick. Okay, 5 of 8. Okay, I'm a level 9, and oh, here's some bones. My bones could use some calcium. Ant bat, I thought I killed you. I'm chasing you. This crow hummingbird. Oh, what do we have here? Fur. I didn't know hummingbirds have fur. You know what? Just get this. I'm just chilling around. Oh, cupcake crab. Oh my god. Why is it so hard? Okay. Chill.
Mother Mundo. Jujur Li.
Sorry guys, but this is me. I know it's kind of like... Anyways, if you want to go download Hybrid Animals, download it on App Store, Play Store, or even Google to get the new update version. That's it for me. Bye guys, and peace.